In this video, I'm going to talk about using the count and the CountA function in Excel. These two formulas are really similar with just slight differences in both, and I'm going to show both with examples so it's easier to understand. If this helps you out, then please do consider subscribing so it helps me reach a broader audience, and let's get into it. So the first one is count. Now what count does is it counts any cell that you wanted to analyze as long as the cell is a numerical value. So it has to be a number. So here in my dataset, I've got the order number, I've got the customer name, and then I've got their age right here as well. So I'm going to start by using the count function. I'm going to write equals count. I'm going to open my parentheses, and then I'm going to highlight all of column C because I want to look at all of their ages. So once I've got that highlighted, I'm going to close my parentheses and hit enter. And it gives me 47. And that makes sense because I have 50 total orders, but out of 50, I had 3 people who did not give me their age. And since the count function only looks at numerical values only, we had 47 numerical values to count. So it's telling me right here that I have 47 ages in my data set. Now, on the other hand, the CountA function, it's going to count any cell as long as it's not blank. So it could be a number, it could be a letter, it could be a percentage sign, it could be anything, and it's going to count it as long as it's not blank. So right here, if I write equals CountA, and then again, highlight all of column C, close my parentheses, and hit enter, now it gives me 50. And that makes sense as well. I have 50 orders, and no matter if they gave me their age or if it's an X, all 50 cells do have something in them, right? There are 50 values, whether it's a number or it's an X, and that's why it gives me 50, because it's counting every single value that's in my data set. So to summarize, count is for numerical values only, and then CountA is for anything that's not blank. And that pretty much wraps up the video. If this helped you out, then please do consider subscribing so it helps me reach a broader audience, and I will see you all in the next one. Peace.